What's going on, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Shrek, and we're back with another video, guys. So I don't know what I'm naming or what the name of this video is, but we are going to try to fix our Camry. I've been wanting to do this video for a while now. So as you can tell, the clear coat is gone. We are losing some of the paint and primer, so it's starting to rust a little bit. And yeah, we have a few spots, the whole roof and the hood. I don't know if we're going to get to the hood. I would like to. This one would require also some sanding, maybe some primer in some areas, a little bit of paint and clear coat. But for sure we're going to be working on the roof today. Possibly, well, yeah, more than likely here. So I'll probably mask down here. First I'm going to mask up here, that way we don't mess up this plastic. I think you could remove it. Yeah, you can, but it's double-sided taped. I think I just messed up. Jesus Christ. Well, this side is off, so there's that. So we will be masking it to down here, that way I could clear coat this area as well. Maybe I'll even hit the little spoiler. Not sure, but that's the plan for today. Let me take this side off while we're at it. Oh, you could have just slid it off. Come on, buddy. Messed it up for no reason. It is what it is. Yeah, it's just slid right off. On the other side I popped it off. Have to glue it or double side tape it. Anyways, here's the stuff we're going to be using. We have, first of all, our sander. Picked it up at Harbor Freight. Haven't even opened it. Then I picked up a few discs. We're going to go with the roughest first, 320, then hit it with the 400, then the 600. Primer it. I don't know if I'm gonna hit it with the 600 before the primer. I might just do 400. Primer it just because it isn't that rough. Primer it. Let me sidetracking. Primer it. Then, depending how rough it is, I'll hit it with the 600, and then we will hit it with some paint. Let me show you guys. Let me open these boxes and show you guys. So as I was saying, we went ahead and picked up, here's the primer, just the regular old cheap primer from our local store. I did pick up 4 of these. These are magnet gray metallic. This is color match to color code to the Camry. Supposed to be the same paint. Hopefully it is. It kind of looks like it on the cap. Yeah, pretty close. It is actually a good match. So that's that. And we also went ahead and ordered ourselves 2 cans of this 2K clear coat. This one works really well. I've used it in the past to paint like bumpers, fenders, stuff like that. Never a whole roof, but I do know it works really good. So this is what we're going to be using for our clear. For our sander, let me go ahead and open it because I haven't even opened. I just cut the tape on it right now. And let's see. I actually got this one on sale. There was a sale going on and I picked it up. I believe it's regular price like $30 or $40, don't quote me, but I picked it up for, I think it was like $10. So this is what we're going to be using with our pads. And then yeah, first things first, I will be masking the car, all the areas, and then draping some plastic cloth over it, that way I don't get paint all over the place. So I'll be doing that right now. I might just throw you guys on the head mount, that way you guys see the process. Here we go, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can tell, we went ahead and taped it up. I need to put some more tape right here. We went ahead and taped up as much as possible. Hopefully we don't get too much overspray. We're going to start sanding the top right now. This one will get lightly sanded, and then the rest will get a deeper sand because we are primering that part. Some more tape right here. Let me go ahead and grab my tape so I can do it while I'm showing you guys. I don't know how much footage I got of me putting the tape and masking it and putting the plastic on, but I'm pretty sure it was a small little time lapse that I'm going to be adding before this clip. Then we will be, of course, this clip that we're on right now. Just leaving little personal notes for myself while I'm editing. Anyways, back to this. We are going to start, hopefully our sander works, because like I said, I just opened it and I haven't tried it out yet. So we're hoping the sander works. We'll go ahead and start sanding it with our 320 grit and go from there. I will be throwing you guys on another time lapse, so we'll get that one going. Oh, these are just stick-ons, they're not the hooks. Oh well, let's see if they work with this. I'm not even sure if it'll work. I don't think it's gonna work. So we'll just hit the 400, straight 400 grit, and hopefully this is enough to get it going. Good thing we got a bigger pack of these, so should work. Let's see. Here we go, just like that. Let's get this going. It's getting kind of late. Took me forever to do the little masking, so hopefully we don't take too much longer now. Let's see, test it out. Yep, it works. All right, let's get our step ladder, start on this side. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we already went ahead and sanded it down. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional, as you guys can tell. I'm just doing this for entertainment purposes and to see if it works. Testing it myself, trial and error. So we already went ahead and sanded up the whole car, the whole roof of the car. We hit it with that 4 something grit, I think it's 400, and then we hit it with that 600. It's nice and smooth, actually, really smooth. It felt rough before, so now it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to go ahead and primer this area, the one that's exposed. Primer it down and then let it dry. Primer it again, sand it down a little bit, and then probably clean it up one more time and hit the paint. Hit a coat of paint. I'll probably hit 2 or 3, whatever I'm able to, with those 4 cans. Those are the smaller type of cans. So if I get a good 2 coats out of 2 cans, or maybe even 2.5 cans, that'll be great, because we'll be able to do the hood as well. So let's get started with this one. Shake it up a bit, a couple minutes of shaking, and let's hit it. All right, so here is the current status. When I primered it a bit, we're going to start using some paint, start spraying it down, see how this comes out. I mean, it can't get any worse than what it was, so let's go ahead and hit it with some paint. Time lapse.
Your hands
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we did go ahead and hit it with 2 coats of color match paint. And this is the result so far. It looks okay. I see a lot of streaks on it, but I'm going to go ahead and wash it real quick, then see how it feels. If it's rough, I'll go ahead and sand it. If it's uneven, go ahead and sand it. If not, we're just going to go ahead and lay some clear coat, just because it looks like it's going to rain right now. So before the rain gets us, we're going to try to finish this up. So we did go ahead and spray the clear already. I didn't show it because the GoPro's dying. Like always, my camera's dying. So we did go ahead and spray it with, we wasted like 1.5 cans. I don't know if I'm gonna go back over it and touch it up with another one, but hopefully that the beetle does, or whatever it's called, doesn't land on my roof. Anyways, hijo de tu chingada madre. Get the fuck out, dice Canelo. Anyways, went ahead and sprayed it. Doesn't look the best, but I mean, it's better than what it was. So right now I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just shoot some clear on this one, sand it down a little bit and shoot clear, see if that helps, because it looks rough. And yeah, I'm gonna leave the roof like that. Eventually I'm gonna wrap the car, so I ain't even worried about this, but I just wanted it to look a little better, see if we could make it better. Right here I went ahead and sanded it up a little bit too much, and we have a burn spot type of thing. Other than that, that's the final product. We'll let it dry out. Right now I'm actually gonna get started on the hood, so we'll move this little plastic up and get started over here. I'm gonna lay some plastic over the fenders and work on it right here. Try to do whatever I can right here. That way we could finish that can of clear, because it does go bad, and finish the paint. We have a little bit of paint still left over in, just so it looks a little more uniform. All right, here's the, I'm recording on the phone now. GoPro completely died, so I'm probably gonna close out this video with the phone. Anyways, this is what we have to work with. Sand this down. The hood's all messed up, but I'm going to sand this down, lay a little bit of paint over it. Maybe might just clear it over, just because the paint looked kind of funky. And then just sand this down as well, just light sand, just because it's rough, and then just spray the clear over it. So let's see how it looks after I'm done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I need to stop saying that. Anyways, here we are with an update. Just lay down some paint, and as you can tell, we can still see the dent, but a lot of the little rock chips got covered. You can still see them. I didn't go too deep on the sanding. I want to create craters, because that's what I did up there. Anyways, just resprayed it a bit, and it looks pretty darn good. I think this is gonna look better than the roof over there. I think it's starting to look way better right here. But anyways, that's a little update right now. Sprayed the paint. We're about to go ahead and spray the clear on it right now. All right, here we go. This is the hood. We rushed it a little bit because we got a storm coming, but this is the hood. I would probably go ahead and order 2 more cans, just because this one was only 1 light coat of clear, but that's what it looks like. Not too shabby for being done in my driveway. The clear on top is actually starting to dry a lot better, and it's starting to look a lot better. Pretty sure after maybe I buff it, it'll look completely different and cleaner. But for right now, that's all she wrote. This is what we did today. I hope once I go to the car wash, it doesn't peel off or anything. So I'll probably give you guys a review next time I do a video. Take it to the car wash today, and then yeah, that's what a little bit of elbow grease gets you in your driveway. Not hard, just took a couple hours, and that was the finished product. It looked really bad before. I'm actually happy, because it looks a lot better than it was before. So I'm good. This is cool for now. Cost me like about $100, if that, for everything. The most expensive stuff was the clear coat, and I will be putting a link down below for that. The color match, you could get that on Amazon as well. And of course the little sander, get it at Harbor Freight. Then get yourself some plastic, some tape, the painter's tape, and yeah, that's all really there is to it. The hood, I didn't sand it down completely, didn't spray it completely. As you can tell, we got like different shades. I don't know if you guys can tell, the camera shows it, but there's like 2 or 3 different shades. Then we burned the paint off a little bit right here, the spray paint that I did. But like I said, for being at home, spray paint cans, I'm not a professional. It looks decent. I ain't tripping. I'm eventually gonna wrap the car. We're gonna lower it. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. I'm gonna order their springs soon. Has a lot of misaligned body panels, like the front bumper, the rear bumper. Then I want to do a couple little things to it. Probably change the system, well, add a system and change the head unit. So we'll have that in following videos. For now, that's gonna be it for this video. How to kind of paint your roof and hood when your clear is going out. So with that being said, guys, as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. We're switching up the content a little bit just because I actually got hurt. I haven't worked for about a week now. I got hurt and haven't been able to go work on the diesel stuff. So, and before that, I was already hurt. I've been hurt for about a month and a half, 2 months now. So I haven't really had the energy or the will or the drive, whatever you want to call it, to make videos or edit them. The last 3 that I just uploaded, they were filmed a while back. The last one was Labor Day weekend, which is the fishing one. I put that one up as well. But I was hurt. I've been hurt. I haven't been really motivated. So I just started. I'm able to walk now. I hurt my back, but that'll be a whole different video if you guys want to see that. Anyways, if you're at home, enjoy time with your family. If you're on the road, be safe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.